Ever felt like your money just vanishes into thin air? You're not alone. We've all been there, swiping a card here, tapping a phone there, and before you know it, your bank account's looking a little bare. But what if there was a tool that could help you take control of your finances without all the financial jargon and complex spreadsheets? PocketGuard isn't just a budgeting app, it's your personal finance superhero. It's designed to simplify your financial life, making it easier to track your spending. Real-time updates. PocketGuard automatically syncs with your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, giving you a real-time view of your finances. Categorized spending. Your transactions are automatically categorized, so you can easily see where your money is going. Customizable budgets. Set budgets for specific categories like groceries, dining out, or entertainment. PocketGuard will alert you when you're approaching your limit. Save money automatically. Roundup savings. PocketGuard can automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference to a savings account. Savings goals. Set specific savings goals, like a vacation or a down payment on a house. PocketGuard will help you stay on track. Find extra money. Subscription Finder. PocketGuard can identify unused subscriptions and help you cancel them to save money. Bill negotiation. It can even negotiate lower rates on your bills, like cable or internet. How PocketGuard makes your life easier. Stress-free budgeting. Forget about manual data entry and complicated spreadsheets. PocketGuard does the heavy lifting. Financial clarity. Get a clear picture of your financial health with easy-to-understand charts and graphs. Proactive savings. Set and achieve your savings goals with automated savings features. Peace of mind. Knowing your finances are under control can reduce financial stress and anxiety. The bottom line. PocketGuard is more than just a budgeting app. It's a financial tool that empowers you to take control of your money. By automating tasks, providing insights, and helping you save, PocketGuard can significantly improve your financial well-being. So, if you're ready to take charge of your finances, give PocketGuard a try. It could be the financial game changer you've been waiting for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.